Alright, y'all, what's going on? What's going on? Alright, so today I'm eating a steak and a salad. Okay, so if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Go and subscribe. Even if you haven't subscribed, definitely go and subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell so you get notifications the next time we post a video. Leave us some comments down below. Let us know things you like to see us try, things you like to see us cook. Interact with us because we do like to hear from you. I'm going to say grace and get started. Dear Heavenly Father, thank you for this food that we're about to receive for nourishment of our bodies and health. In Jesus' name we pray, amen. Get y'all closer. All right, so the salad I got from the kroghetto was like one of those little salad kits. It was the steakhouse chopped salad. I'm mad that I didn't read what type of dressing it was. I should have got this other one that I really wanted, which was like a bourbon or maple bacon one. I ended up getting this steakhouse one, and it had blue cheese dressing. Y'all know how I feel about that, okay? So I'm just gonna add ranch. I was gonna add use the one Caesar dressing I like, but I just went on ahead and did ranch. This one, and I also picked it for a type of lettuce. I think it's like romaine, and then it looked like it got like a slaw too, like a broccoli slaw, I think maybe. And then it came with like a little seasoning, like steakhouse seasoning, onion crispers, and bacon. It was a steakhouse wedge salad, a chopped wedge salad. Got my little steak and onions. I can't find my other little pink paring knife. I don't know where it went. One of my new knives. Mother, y'all, I can't even bend down like this, right? I got to be more careful. I hurt my back. I took the bubby outside to play in the snow. It snowed a whole lot today. Well, actually last night. Probably a good part of today, but definitely last night probably was where the majority of the snow came from. I took him outside to play, and I was helping him make a snow angel, and I did his arms, and I was doing his legs, and then all of a sudden something pinched or something, and my leg on back was hurting. I was bent over. I don't think I was going to be able to stand up. And this is also ghetto, you know? Not getting older, and the body just started hurting. Oh my gosh, it hurts now. Like my back hurted so much. I was like, I don't know how I'm gonna get me and him in the house. I don't know how I'm gonna do it because I couldn't stand up for like good minute or two, like from the bending position I was in, and then I'm like, oh my gosh, he didn't want to come in the house. But I'm like, we gotta go in the house now. I just didn't know how I was gonna get us both in the house, and then of course he ran up on the trampoline. Which was probably better than me having to bend over and try to bend over and pick him up, because bending was just not a thing. I kept trying to tell him, like, let's go in the house and get this. Let's go get this. Let's go get this. Like, something worked, and he finally started making his way to the house. And then that was a struggle getting all of our stuff off, all of our all of our gear off. And it was cute. He was just like, "Mommy, hoit," because I just kept, hollering out in pain. I was like really hurting. I didn't think I was gonna be able to sit down. I was like, okay. I just don't know what happened because I don't feel like I was, you know, totally like improperly using body mechanics or not using the proper body mechanics, you know. I wasn't trying to pick him up in that position. I don't know, man, but I get his stuff up in man. Painful in pain. Oh, Kim Fowler, I'm so sorry. There is enough, in addition to, I don't even know which one of these is acting up now. And I don't even know if y'all been hearing it in the video or not, but I know I still ain't called them people about these smoke detectors, but I need to call. And so my carbon monoxide detector is going off now because the batteries are low. And that doesn't take a regular battery. I feel like I've never seen this type of battery before. I don't know what it is. It's a small, it looks like a shorter AA battery. I've never seen this type of battery. So, and I didn't leave out the house today. But I need to get this type of battery, but okay. So then I go upstairs and I take some Tylenol that I don't think it ever kicked in. My back had been hurting for a while. And then I was like, okay, well, let me put my heating pad on it too. But I was taking a gamble, y'all, because I didn't know if the heating pad, I know I have it. I just didn't know if I had put it in a, readily accessible place. I thought maybe it could have been downstairs in the basement in stuff, like in one of these bins or somewhere, or upstairs in the linen closet. It was luckily upstairs in the linen closet. I was like, okay, I'm only gonna be able to do one of these. So hopefully the place I picked is where it's at. And it was. I laid on the couch, which was painful getting down on that couch. Even more painful getting up. I thought maybe laying down would help. I don't know if y'all been seeing that challenge where like people, I think it's a partition challenge, but every time you hear the sound and it's this one sound in the song, you're supposed to like just slide down or whatever. That's literally what I have to do because my back hurts. Yeah, so I took that Tylenol. I'm like, I don't know what the heck, like, I don't know what's going on. And it was almost time for the feed the bug. So that's why I had to get back off the couch. I needed to change his diaper, get him some more milk. Well, no, I got more milk before I laid down. This is just ghetto, man. So I end up making him food. Luckily, he's a little adventurous, so he helped me get him in his high chair. He just climbed up most of it. And after he ate, we had to take a nap, and I slept with the heating pad on me. It was an hour or two, and it feel better than it did. I still am in pain right now, but it definitely feels better than it did. I would say that. Like I was like, shoot, I don't know if I'm be able to do a video. But I don't really have to do too much bending. I'm hoping that maybe tomorrow I'll just feel all the way better. But I sent my brother a text because he hurt his back. Was it last year? It might have been a year before. Hurt his back, and you know, we be talking about him all the time. And I said, not me over here, you know, I done sat around and made fun of him all this time and mess around, mess my back up today. Yeah, so yesterday, that crumble cookie video was old. Well, it was the week before his lineup. It wasn't last week's lineup, I think. And I did that because, of course, I went over to my sister's yesterday and we watched the wild card games. And you know, we ate over there. I didn't film nothing, so before, so I have to get crumble cookies. I'm sorry. But it started snowing last night while we was over there. I think when it first started snowing, like the roads, of course, was bad. And apparently it was like, you know, ice or whatever on the roads. When me and my brother left her house, well, it took me an hour, I think, to get home. It was fine. I'm not trying to get nobody accident, so I was going about like 35, 40 on the freeway. Because the actual freeways look like the streets look, you know what I'm saying? Like it was covered with snow. It was this one car that was near me and my brother when we were getting ready to get on the freeway. And he was spinning out. I said, let me go ahead and get from around him, so he messed around and spin out into my car. And so I had, you know, got past him, and then he had to come up behind me at the next light that we came to, and I'm like, he better be stopping all the way back, because he bet not slide into my car. I could get him. We saw a couple of people turned around on like the side of the freeway. It was just crazy. I'm just glad I made it home safely. Chicken? Huh? It ain't chicken. You want some? What? No, you're not. What? What? The bub, we had woke up about like 11 something yesterday, and he hadn't taken a nap. So by the time I got in the car about 8 o'clock, and I got home at 9 something. Yeah, and it was freezing because when we had the cream, our cars off, the rain it was wet and it was stuck, you know, it was half frozen on my windshield and windows. What? What? Is it on? Apparently it's a level 2. But my dad got more snow than he said they got a couple feet. And you could tell that because it snows like, you know, he sent me a picture and it was like at the bottom of somebody's car or whatever. But because we was at my sister's house, you know, our cars was outside, so they got covered with snow or whatever. But, you know, usually I ain't got to wear them. I'm glad that I don't. I'm grateful that it's not something I really have to worry about often. Cleaning my car off. Because I got a garage and I'm going to use it. I don't ever want to get to a point where I can't use my garage because there's too much stuff in there. Excuse me. Mm. Also, I was talking to, I was thinking about his show up there. The Greatest Show on TV got new episodes out now. Puppy Dog Pals that he watched all the time, they came out with some new episodes this month. We had, Carlos talking about how, you know, thinking about how I want to decorate his room, and Puppy Dog Pals would be ideal because that's the thing that he really loved. Puppy Dog Pals. I mean, he watches other stuff. Close on Melon, of course, he listened to Baby Shark. He actually watched Baby Shark upstairs. So if y'all heard a show or anything, that's what he watching. But Puppy Dog Pals is like one of the Puppy Dog Pals and Word Party. One of the first couple shows that I was able to like put on, and he could sit there and watch it. And I honestly rock with Puppy Dog Pal, but I had even just did a really quick search and like for room decor Puppy Dog Pals and didn't see nothing really came up. I mean, a couple wall decals. I didn't see no bedding, you know what I'm saying? But she said, Yasmin said when her kids were into it, they had a couple toys, but I don't see no Puppy Dog Pal toys for real in the store. Hopefully, since they got new episodes out, maybe I'll see more. Google and trying to see You know, from what years was it, like new on TV? Or like the episodes first aired and saw that it was like, it said new. I said new. I said, Grayson, have we watched a new episode? And there's another one coming out on Friday morning. It's lit. Mm-hmm. I gotta sit up like super straight, like can't slouch or bend my back. I seasoned this with, I have a Weber steak and chop seasoning. And then I have Dave's burger and steak seasoning. And then I put this, I don't know if that's Weber or McCormick. It's this Himalayan black pepper and sea salt and garlic seasoning. I really like that seasoning. And I've had it for a minute. And I've been using it a lot recently. And this umami mushroom company seasoning from Trader Joe's. It's good. Let's see if I'm gonna do a video. Excuse me. We're gonna respond to some comments. Okay, I'm on the Finito La Barito challenge. Okay, Nini's Eats Life said, hey sis, hey. Hey girl, hey. Rodney and Janelle. What's up, family? Let's see what this is all about. Hey fam. Thanks so much for watching. I love Rodney and Janelle. They are hilarious, okay? MRTV, Maria said, hey sis, hey. She said, good job. And then she said, I don't like olives either. Hey Maria, girl. Thank you, sis. And whew, olives on this are so gross. I used to eat olives all the time. I can't do it no more. I can't do it. Yasmin said, hearing you say quinoa made me think of Beloved and Neffy. Oh, yeah, I said, yes, you did that, sis. Yes. Love it. Love you. Let's go. It's definitely, yes, Grayson. Oh, okay, it's got me. He want me to turn it back on. Oh, yeah, I got to struggle to get up here. And then I could, I couldn't even pinpoint like what way I'm moving that makes it hurt. I'm like, going up the steps. The one probably around the time like I first came back in the house, and I'm like, man, please don't let me have no type of shooting pain that will go me walk down these stairs or something, you know. Okay, I was on Yasmin. She said it definitely looked good. I might have to try those chips. Petty on the bag being filled with air. Do you think it's necessary to keep them crisp to the and laughing at the meme, which I don't know what meme I put in there, but I like the puff paws too. How many videos did you end up doing? LOL to be loved and be loved and Matthew. Yes, let's go. And my strong arm emoji. Yes. I wonder if you tried the chips. And nah, it ain't to keep them crisp. They be talking about it's based on the weight of the chips and not about filling the bag. That's annoying. I wonder how many I did as well. Okay. Somebody, I don't know if it's a troll or whatever, but they put this link in here and I don't click on links up in here, so I just don't put a thumbs up. Nadira Yasmin said, hey sis, hey sis. Waving. P Davis, P, hey P. I'll wave at P too. She said happy hump day, but it's definitely not hump day anymore. Jaleel said you killed this challenge, fam, and like all challenges, you get a 10 out of it at 524. Jaleel also gives me a record of like my burps and how well they rate in here, and I got a 10 on the burp that I did, and I'm pretty excited about that. Listen, I'll take a 10. Let's go. Let's go. And come on, 10. Come on, 10. I'll definitely take that. Yes, thanks so much for watching, fam. Hearts, where are my hearts? The Zam fam said hello. Hey fam. They said hello, hello. Great job as usual. Yes, you can remove the plastic before eating. She made the change. She pinned that. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Should have. Oh, okay. Gotcha. Thanks. Sorry. And that was the masked vegan. He said, great job as usual. Yes, you can remove the plastic before eating. She made the change. She pinned that in her comments. Thanks so much for the heads up. And thanks so much for watching. Let's go! Lois said, hey, you. Hey, Lois. Bro. Queen Sugar said, hey, family. Queen Sugar Experience said, hey, family. Did I pin? I don't know if I pinned the Vegan Kitties comment, but I'm doing it now. I think I did. I usually, even if I hadn't responded to comments, if I did somebody challenge, I would go in and pin their comment at the top of the comment section. Hey, Queen. The vegan kitty said, hey, Real Girl Food World, thank you so much for doing my challenge. Awesome job as always. Kitty. Thanks so much for the creativity. I always like to say that when people create challenges or whatever, because it ain't, I mean, some people come natural too, like, and some people don't. I don't know, but I appreciate people for putting that out there. You know what I'm saying? One, it's nice to, you know, have awesome challenges, but then it gives you content or whatever, and it helps you to, you know, maybe get your wheels rolling if you know, you see other people doing some creative things, get your own creative juices flowing. And thanks so much for watching. And the vegan kitty sent me my, it's in the living room, but she sent me that stand that I always use now in my challenges, because I'm sure her, like everybody else, no, it wasn't like no shade or nothing like that, but you know, she sent me so I wouldn't have to prop my phone up on my can anymore, which was so nice. It was so thoughtful. I just really appreciate her for that. And yeah, so thank you, kitty. You made it. Congrats. Hey, Edward. That was from Edward Smart. And, let's go. Molly's 360 Kitchen says, wow, enjoyment. Thank you for sharing with us. Yay. Thanks so much for watching. Chef Shara said he put looking eyes, this, and the beer can. I'm gonna say, hey, Chef, and the blue can. I wonder what he laughing at. The bug's just up there laughing. Chef also said, I'm an old school Funyuns and Andy Capp's hot fries kind of guy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Both good and classic chips right there. Funyuns were like my favorite chips for a while, and I just recently tried to get some hot fries, but the kroghetto failed me. Be the Difference Clothing, Joy. She said, holla. That feeling looks good. Yep, I missed that rule too. You did good. Oh, Mama Ray Ray tried them. She said it tasted the same. Now I want to try a stingy old bag of chips. I hope you did get your hands on a bag of the chips. And I was about to say it, and this burrito was super good. And I believe Joy was the one that challenged me to this challenge. Thanks so much for watching, Joy. In which I had to do it because Joy had challenged me to some other stuff, and I totally missed it. I didn't even see it, and so I was like, oh no, I got to do this one. Burn Bang said, hey, hi fam, yummy, goodness, delicious. Hey, Burn fam. Oh, wait. Why does it say burb? I'm trying to say burn. Fam, thanks so much for coming through. And I like that Vern uses purple hearts and everything because I love purple. Purple's my favorite color. Okay, great. We did La Finito Burrito challenge. Now we're on brisket grilled cheese. Okay. All right. Well, y'all, I'm gonna piece up out of here. That's it and that's all. I'm about to go. I mean, not ice, freaking put that heating pad back on my back. But thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Leave some comments down below. Let us know things you like to see us try, things you like to see us cook. Interact with us because we do like to hear from you. And subscribe to the channel. Go and subscribe. Hit that bell so you get notifications the next time we post a video. And we'll see you in the next one. Peace out.